Time for Champions Trophy, and here we are from Rev Sports. We are here in Dubai, and you can see, first of all, you can just see the buzz around. You know, we are here at the Festival City place. It's all buzzing out here. I'm here with me. Shamik Da is here. We are again creating a partnership after India versus Bangladesh series, which India won.
Yeah,
The last Test series India won.
Absolutely, yeah.
You know, as far as the Gautam Gambhir and Rohit Sharma era is concerned, that was the only Test series, Shamik Da, and I consider myself lucky. Then.
And now we are together.
Yeah.
And good times will return again.
Happy hours.
Happy hours.
Happy hours will return again.
Happy hours will return.
But Team India is also here. You know, they landed, I think, an hour ago, an hour or 1.5 hours ago.
About a couple of hours ago,
Okay.
the entire team was here. Gautam Gambhir was first to come out, followed by Hardik Pandya.
Yeah.
I don't know whether Rohit forgot something or not. He was last but not the least.
Yeah. So Team India, landed here 2 hours back, and we still don't know that what will be their schedule as far as practices are concerned. But we will give you all the related updates. Before that, Team India took the flight from Mumbai, 4:15 p.m. local time there, and all in a bus there. And it was these things creating headlines. That Team India coming with coming in in the bus as a whole unit. And after that, with all that, the bag weights, the wags, the chefs, everything, the news were all around that.
No,
But,
the SOPs have
Yeah.
been strictly adhered to. So SOPs.
Okay.
Families are not accompanying them.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And I think on a serious note, it will help create a more focused atmosphere.
Yeah. What I came to know is that if family wants to come in here, they will be provided a different hotel, not from the BCCI, but from the players, fund
but
only.
not in the team hotel.
Not in the team hotel, of course, not in the team hotel. Be it about the managers, be it about the security persons. There was, when they were leaving the hotel today, there was a gathering, and there were some good instructions, given by team management people, and few of the things made, clear by them about the proceedings as far as Champions Trophy is concerned.
But Rohit, see the nip in the air. February,
Yeah.
Dubai, the nip in the air. I'm telling you, fast bowlers, purely from a cricketing point of view, fast bowlers will get help.
And to back that with stats, Fazalak Farooqi, highest wicket taker as far as IL T20 is concerned. No spinner in the top 5 list as far as the IL T20 is
I
concerned.
will not mix. I will not
Okay.
mix because T20 and 50 over, they are two completely different formats.
Sure.
Because you go gung ho in
Okay. Yeah.
T20 cricket right from the
Exactly.
outset.
Exactly.
You have your time to build your innings in 50 over cricket. But you see, you can feel the nip in the air, right?
sure.
And I have been coming to this place since donkey's years. But this is the
Since
first.
I was a 9-year-old.
But this is the first time I'm getting. This is my first time in Dubai in February,
Yeah.
and I can feel the nip in there, and I can assure you, fast bowlers will get some purchase from the conditions. I don't know yet how the pitches will play, but fast bowlers will get some purchase from the conditions.
Okay, so the music is on here. The music is up. Behind us, there's a lovely, the dancing show. And we'll give you a glimpse of that also. You can see in the screen, I've recorded that, the earlier one. It's fantastic. And if you see the different parts of Dubai, it is very much part of, Dubai's, the light show. And look at that, just behind me. This is spectacular. So we will give you all these kind of colors also. Obviously the cricket will be our priority, the hardcore cricketing news, the breaking news, all the press conferences, the practice sessions, everything will be our priority. But just look at this. At this particular point of time, this is how it looks like. And as Shamik Da rightly said, there is a nip in the air and you can enjoy this, just standing here.
And see, Rohit, how things suddenly change upon your arrival. I was struggling to come to terms with these video nitty-gritties, and as soon as you are here, we hit the bullseye.
Yeah.
So, you are the X Factor like Varun Chakravarti.
But I want to be Varun Chakravarti of 2025, not 2021. So yeah, look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, and this is, you can see almost the Dubai is here, and yes, the lovely water show is going on behind us. we'll signing off with these pictures, with these lovely pictures, and we will give you, as we just mentioned, that our priority will be the hardcore cricketing news, but we will give you all these kind of colors also. We are waiting for two other employees, two of our other colleagues also. They'll be here soon, but till then, it's goodbye from me and Samikta. And as I rightly said at the very start,
No. I absolutely don't have any more concern because I have my X Factor with me, and
of
that
2025.
and that X Factor is going to play havoc in this tour.
Let's then conclude it here. And as I said, we'll give you all the details. We'll give you all the updates. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you, guys. Marhaba Dubai.